welcome back to my channel. I feel like I'm screaming because I'm losing my voice and I'm like trying to project sound, but it hurts. So, forgive me. But in today's video, I wanted to do something different that I have never done before. It's something I've thought about doing, but I just like never have, and I don't know why. So today's video is going to be my Boxycharm unboxing. You probably can't even see. It's this thing. These things. Have you ever heard of it? It's a thing. So Boxycharm is essentially a subscription box that you pay for every month, and then you get a box of little goodies sent to your door. Now, they're typically full-size products, and they're all almost always amazing. I think I've only ever gotten like a few things that I just think, I'm never going to use that. But this particular box was so awesome. I just figured, you know what, if I'm going to do like Boxycharm unboxings and like use the products on camera, this is the one I'm going to do it with. I have cheated just a smidge and used some of my products already. But whenever you get your Boxycharm, it kind of just comes all pretty and packaged nicely. Mine's not like that anymore because I've already ripped into it and used everything. So one of the first items that I pulled out of the box that I was so excited to get because I've never tried this but I have always wanted to is this guy right here. So this is the Sol de Janeiro Brazilian Bum Bum Cream. Like, I think everybody knows of the Bum Bum Cream. I've already opened mine. I've dove in. It is such a great smell. This is body butter, so I will not be applying it to my face today, but I have used it a handful of times already since I've gotten this box, and it is so good. I love it. I am a fan of body butter. I just love it, okay? I love it. Okay, so the very next product that comes out of the box, or at least that I've grabbed here, is Baddington Lashes. Now, I have never heard of this brand before until I got this box. Oh, was I not supposed to do that? Oops. This is what they look like right here. So these are like faux mink silk lashes. Oh, how cute their box says, if all else fails, buy your lashes. Every box comes with like a little dude here to like explain what every product is. And these Baddington lashes are called the Monroe Silk Lashes, and they retail for They retail for $28, so that's pretty pricey for a pair of lashes, so I'm interested to see how these are going to work out. Okay, one of the next bigger items in this box, and the thing that I'm actually most excited to try, is this right here. This is the Alamar Cosmetics Reina de Caribe. Oh god, I don't speak Spanish. I don't even know what these words mean. But it's an eyeshadow palette, and this is what she looks like. Isn't it just beautiful? These eyeshadows are just freaking stunning. I am really excited about this green shade right there. Something about it's just speaking my language. It's whistling sweet nothings into my ear. Or is it whispering? I don't think you whistle sweet nothings. So this is the Ofra Cosmetics Long Lasting Liquid Lipstick in the shade Verona. That's what it looks like right here. This color is so up my alley. I think it's so pretty. So we gonna see how she does. So this is the Jaunty Bleu. I probably didn't say that right, but it sounded cool, didn't it? This is an eyeliner pencil. I have mine in like a gray shade. I think it's actually called Charcoal. I'm not the biggest fan of gray liners. I don't think they're very flattering on me. I think it looks like I'm wearing a really crappy black color, but I'm still going to give it a whirl and we're going to see how it does. So the last item in the box, I have used all of these because I love Luxie brushes. So this is a Luxie brush set. This is what they look like. So you've got like a tapered powder brush, a dual fiber brush here, and then lastly you have a tapered highlighting brush. Like I said, I have cheated and already used these brushes, and they're so good. Like, Luxie brushes are just so good. Okay, so let's just go ahead and jump into kind of like the tutorial-esque part of this video. So I'm going to be using the tapered, what are you actually called? The Precision Foundation brush, but I'm going to be using this because it's a tapered brush, and I'm going to be using it to apply my under eye setting powder from this Tarte Park Ave Princess contour palette. So I'm going to put these two shades underneath my under eye. So I'm just going to dip into both of them here and then just set. Now I've already like kind of set my under eye, so, you know, don't think I'm crazy for just jumping in. I'm gonna go ahead and like set and highlight the points in my face that I normally would. Ta-da! I look so washed out. Like, I don't know how cameras know when you're sick, but I look so washed out. So let's add a little bit of color to my face. So I don't have any like new brushes or products in this box, so I'm just gonna grab some old favorites and get a little dimension to this face. So now we can move on to a product from the Boxycharm. So I'm going to be using this Luxie dual fiber brush to apply my blush with it. So I'm just going to be using one of my like holy grail blushes, the MAC Eternal Sun Blush. And we're just gonna kind of apply her like so. I'm not the biggest fan of dual fiber brushes to apply blush, but this one's like too small to be a stippling brush. You know how I blend everything like into my face with a stippling brush, so this one's a little too small for that. Next, we are going to be using this Luxie tapered highlighter brush to actually do that. We're going to highlight, and I'm going to be using an oldie but a goodie. This is MAC Soft and Gentle Highlighter. This was so popular like whenever I first started my YouTube channel, and like beauty gurus weren't as influential as they are now. Like, it was before this platform really blew up. So this is definitely like an old favorite. Oh yeah, look at that. Oh my gracious. So I'm going to dive in and use the Alamar Cosmetics eyeshadow palette. I'm not going to do a talk through because my voice is starting to strain and it's hurting. So I'm just going to obviously show you guys what I'm doing, but I'm going to like, I'll put on some music or something, you know, like Caribbean theme day. I won't do it again, I'm sorry. And cue music. So this is the look that I kind of came up with. I love this green shade so much. Oh man, it's so pretty. Okay, so I've decided that to use this gray liner, because I don't like using gray liner, I'm going to put it in my, like my tight line up top, just because I don't want to ruin this look because I'm not a fan of gray liner. So I'm just gonna do that real fast. Okay, so now time for the lashes. Okay, so let me get these babies out of here. These lashes have a pretty thick lash band, so I'm hoping I don't need to put down liner to help conceal it, but meh. Okay. Oh my gosh, what is happening? Wow. That was awful. I have one on. That took like 3 minutes to put that lash on. That's insane. I never take like any more than like 30 seconds tops to put on a lash. I don't know what it is. It's like whenever I get a lash that's just stupid too long for my eye, it's always a huge ordeal just to get it on my eye and to have it look semi-natural. I mean, the lash itself is beautiful. I will not tarnish that about it whatsoever. Like, it is a beautiful lash. It's a little more natural than what I'm used to. So like, I kind of look at my eyes and I think there's really nothing special. I mean, in reality and being very truthful, it is a beautiful, beautiful lash. So let me get the other one on and I'll be right back. Alright, so we got the other lash on. It was just as big of a struggle as the first one. I don't know what it is about these lashes. Like, why are they so difficult to put on? I don't get it. Let me fluff them up here for you. I mean, I still think they're beautiful. Despite how horrible they are to apply, they really are beautiful. And they look really good with this look. So, I'm not sure if I'll wear them again, truthfully, because they are a little natural for me. And just how hard they were to put on. Like, I don't have time for that. I don't have time to waste whenever I'm getting ready fooling around with lashes. So the very last product that we have to use from our Boxycharm is the Ofra liquid lipstick. I am not the biggest fan of liquid lipsticks. There are some formulas that I absolutely love, and some that I really don't like. And Ofra's, I'm kind of just like on the fence. It's like, they're pretty, but they're a little drying. And I don't like drying liquid lipsticks. But I'm still going to try it on just so, you know, for the purpose of this video, because it's definitely worth a shot. I've already got lip liner on because I'm the worst at putting on liquid lipstick. Like, I'll have it up here, down here. Like, I need my lines. I barely color in the lines as it is, and I need help. I think this color is a little dark for summertime, but it is nonetheless still a beautiful shade. I really like these dark browny, nudie, mauve-y shades, but not necessarily for the summertime. I don't think it really looks very well with this look, per se. This isn't the worst formula, honestly. Like, it really isn't. It's still a little tacky. I need to let it dry down a little bit more, but it's really not the worst that I've ever put on, so, like, that's good. My face a little spritz. Help wash away the demons. That's pretty much it for this look, guys. I hope that you enjoyed my very first Boxycharm unboxing and tutorial video. I'm sorry, of course, that I'm like screaming at you because my voice is going and whatnot, but I really wanted to make sure that I still had content up while I'm still feeling well enough to film, despite how awful my voice sounds, so I'm so sorry. Well, thanks so much for tuning into this one, guys. I really appreciate it. Don't forget to subscribe before you go. Click that notification bell so you get notified every single time that I upload, because trust me, you want to hang out here more often. Ew. Is that my thing now? Ew. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Thumbs down, I guess, too, if you hate it. I don't know. I mean, that's engagement, so yay. That's it, guys. I will see you in the next one. Bye.